This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. Today I'm coming to you from our Gainesville, Georgia location to bring you this great truck. It's a 2025 Peterbilt 567 in flame red. 244-inch wheelbase with a 44-inch sleeper. Has a 13,200 pound steer axle capacity with air ride. 100-gallon fuel tank on the driver's side. Riding around on 11R22.5s. It's 40,000 pound rear suspension, Peterbilt low air leaf. Locking differentials in the forward and the rear diff. Air disc brakes all the way around. Jost low lube top plate fifth wheel with a no tilt convertible. This tank is 200 gallons, or 120 gallons, I'm sorry, with split 60 gallons fuel, 60 gallons hydraulic. Dual-sided cab exhaust. Chrome mirror covers, hood bezels, stainless steel visor. Let's take a look under the hood. This is our air ride front suspension. We got a 510 horse, 1850 torque PACCAR MX13. Behind that is 18-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the interior. Leather seats. Driver's seat is heated and ventilated. Extra gauge package. PTO, inner axle lock, diff lock switches, ABS off-road switch, cordless CD radio mounted in the header panel. Cup holder mounted on the floor. So if this truck will work for you, give me a call, 706-372-4698. I look forward to hearing from you.